Hi everybody, today we are going to talk about this high quality board. Let me tell you what is this board. This board is 8-channel electromagnetic relay board for industrial. Okay, why it is industrial? Because each relay here can handle 30 ampere, which means you can use this board easily with your appliances or in your industrial plant. You can use this board for different purposes, and plus, as I said at the beginning, it has I2C address dip switch here. Okay, so we are going to try to cover what is the other features of this board and how the wiring, and then we are going to talk about coding of this board. Okay, and we are going to use Arduino to help us for our coding. You can use also Raspberry Pi, no problem. All right, let's start. So as I said at the beginning, we have 30 ampere relays here, 8 relays, each one is 30 ampere, and we have normally closed and normally open and COM port here. And here, I'm not sure if you can see, yeah, I'm checking also my computer screen at the same time, it is visible. Okay, so what I have here is the first one is VCC, then ground, then SDA and SCL. I already connected these cable pins to my Arduino pins. Yellow is going to my SCL pin here. Okay, then green is going from SDA to the SDA pin here, the second one. Okay, then the first one right is for my 5-volt here. Okay, I believe you can see it. Then ground is from my ground coming to the ground here, and we have also script terminals here for the same purposes. And same here, as you see, we have power here. The first one is plus 12, and the second one here I'm talking about the green screw. The second one is ground, and the next one here is our socket, power socket. Okay, all right, and I would like to show you the behind. It is very clear and high quality, as you see, and we do have also LED indicators for each relay, so you can see after your program you will be able to see what is the status of current relay, and you can see also how your coding is behaving. All right, so let me talk about the right now address. As you know, the I2C protocol requires address for each board. That is the reason you can add multiple board here. I have another board here which is 16 channel, but this is not for the heavy duty. Okay, but this is also another high quality product. You can find my other videos also. Okay, and we have I2C DIP switch here. Now I'm going to show you how are we going to find the address of this board using Arduino. All right, so if you just search online, by the way, I have to close these, I have to turn off my current video recorder. We are going to use other video recorder. Okay, cool. So as you see, I have one sketch here. It is already running. I'm going to shut down these and I will try to show you again. What I have here is I just found these online by searching I2C Arduino scanner. I just found one of them. Then what I am doing is I am just highlighting the communication port. Currently it is COM4. I'm not sure why it is appearing here 2 times, but it is supposed to be only 1 time. Okay, after you select your COM port, you are going to hit run button. Then we are going to have a serial monitor here. We are going to hit that serial monitor icon. Okay, it is, as you see here on the right side of the corner, it is running. It should be done soon. Done. Now I just hit that button. Okay, it is on my other screen. Let me move that to this area. Alright, as you see, my current address is 022. If I just change my dip switch to the bottom, I just made one of them bottom, I got 23. If I make all of them at the bottom, I believe one of them is already bottom. So if let me make all of them up, okay? Okay, now all of them are up. Now it is 20. The address of this board is currently 20. Okay, in this case, then what I am going to do, this is the my pre-written coding here. I'm going to make this one 20. We have set up here, as you know, this is the just initial part of the Arduino. Then we have I2C relay function here. So in our loop, we are calling that I2C relay function to turn on and turn off. Then we are going to wait like 500 milliseconds for each one. This is going to be in the loop and it is going to continue forever. All right, so everything is there. So let me run this code again. We are going to push this code from our COM port to our Arduino. Then Arduino is going to control our I2C heavy duty 30 ampere board. Okay, it is almost done. Then I'm going to show you one more trick. All right, so as you see, it is running. Our code is running. It is going from right to left like that, but here it is something missing. You don't hear any noise. The reason you don't hear any noise because we are using only a 5-volt from Arduino. We are trying to power this board with the 5-volt, and 5-volt is not enough. And we have 12 DC volt here. I'm just going to plug in this. As you see, it started click. It is clicking now. All right. So I try to cover everything with this regarding our 30 ampere heavy duty I2C board. If you have any question, you are welcome to ask me. Have a nice day.